getting close to the hike. It looks like we're about 10 minutes away. There we are, McAfee's Knob parking lot. Yeah, there's Moose. Hey, you like that, huh? Gordon and Sam and Heather. You can see you got the white blaze on the tree. We are on the Appalachian Trail officially. Here we are, we're continuing our hike up the Appalachian Trail. Sammy we're working very hard on his training. He's doing better. And there's Heather and Katie. You have a good little walk there? Yeah. Here we are, top of McAfee's Knob. Woo. Here we go. We're eating a snack. Here we go for a little snack. And who do we have? We made it. Woo! Woo!
Beautiful!
Your dog is well behaved.
You've got such a beautiful dog.